channel. This is my first video. In this, my first video, we're going to be opening a Sun and Moon Pokemon. So, I already opened it before I did the video. So, first...
But you don't know what's in it.
But I don't know what's in it. So, the first one is we have Lillipup, Cosmog, Rowlet, Yungoos, another Torkoal, Reverse Hollow, Carvanha. Oh, we got an Espeon! Oh my gosh, this is great. We're gonna put that to the side and stuff. So we got an Energy, and I don't know how to pronounce this one. This is a double colorless Energy, and a Gramble, who evolves from Snubble. Huh?
The code.
And that was the end for this, and I hope you liked...
The code.
Oh, and, sorry guys, I forgot the code. What's the code? This one is really cool. Hope you guys liked this video. Bye-bye.